Welcome to this lesson. The same way we found how to, create logos, the same way we will learn how to create business cards. So all you need to do is go to the search bar, search for business cards. You can create beautiful business cards from Canva. So we're just going to use this one, business card landscape, and we'll see a lot of business cards template, like a lot. Okay, let's select this one. This is a business card template and it has the front and the back. So they're just telling you here, just put your logo, insert your logo. You can literally just delete this, delete this, delete this, and insert your logo here. So let's say there's a logo we used before. Let's go to our recently used element. We used this one before. So let's just change the color to maybe this color, and there you have it. Then we can just come here and let's see something. Let's type fan world. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just came on the top of my head. So this is what we have, fan world, and we can also change it here as well. Copy this. So how to copy here? You tap on the element you want to copy, click on this sign here, then go to copy, go to the next design that you want to paste, tap on the design, then go to that icon at the top and click on paste. So that's how to copy and paste. Then we're going to change the color to white so that it can, have a better construct. Yep. So that's pretty much it. Just copy it the same way you copied the other one, and then you paste it here, change the font color to white as well, and then you just put it here. Okay, there you have it. So you can also change all of this. You can change it to anything you want, change the colors of the icon, change the name, everything. This is very easy to use. You can also explore when you go to design. You can also explore other templates right here, and you can also be searching for the keyword. You can use keywords to search for the particular templates of business card that you want, and you'll find tons and tons. So then look at this one, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. If you hover right, you see the front and the back. So yeah, go ahead and try it. Go explore different business cards templates, see how you can create them. You can even find a template from where you are. Just pick it up and see if you can recreate it on Canva, and I trust you'll be able to do that using text elements, shapes and all of that. We'll see you in the next lesson.